Hey all, are you fishing in tournaments and need a place to figure out where to put your bump board? Well, I've got just the solution for you. A cheap and effective method that won't cost you more than 10 bucks. Want to see what I did? Come along for the ride and we'll catch you on the flip side. So let's take a look at this. What do I got here? See these? What do you think these are? These are broom holder handles that I picked up at Canadian Tire or at a dollar store, even cheaper. I've mounted them with a bolt through a 10-inch rod and secured that with another bolt to what I use as the transducer arm on my kayak. You can find a place on your kayak that works best for you. But here's what I did. I added then a simple piece of foam. Why? So that it gives a little bit of bounce, but yet forces the bunk board up off of the holder, and just that right amount of spacing to allow it to fit securely and snugly into place. That's really all you need. A 10-inch channel, a couple of bolts, a couple of zip ties, and a broom holder attachments. I spaced them about 9 inches apart. And then the bunk board just slips right in here like that. Snap, snap, and it's done. Let's see that in action. Oh yeah, I gotta get a measurement on this guy. Let's set up the old bunk board here and see what we got. This is a nice one. 24 inches. 24 inches. Yes, sir. Slip the bump board back there and watch this. Click, click, done. It's that simple. So yeah, of course, you could buy yourself a YakAboutAYak attachment that'll lock into your rail tracks or something, but that's going to cost you about 70 bucks. This, again, doesn't cost me more than 10 bucks. A buck at the dollar store, plus another 5 bucks for the rod, and a couple of bucks for the bolts, and there it is. So I hope you found that helpful, guys. Make yourself a bunk board holder. Get yourself a couple of broom holder attachments, bolt them to a little channel there, and strap it down somewhere conveniently out of the way on your kayak. Easy on, easy off. Just like that. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me a comment. Would love to hear from some of you out there. So, thanks for tuning in. As always, I'm Black Sparrow for YakAboutAYak saying, catch you later. Click, click, done.